Tired of juggling a million notifications and wishing your Discord could just handle the YouTube grind for you? Well, buckle up, because in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up Zapier on Discord to automate your YouTube workflow. First, head over to Zapier.com and create a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're in, click that big Create Zap button to start building your automation. The trigger is what starts your Zap search for YouTube, and select it as your trigger app. Choose New Video in Channel as the trigger event. This will make the Zap activate every time you upload a new video. Now, connect your YouTube account by following Zapier's prompts to grant it access. After connecting, select the specific YouTube channel you want to monitor, then click Test Trigger to make sure Zapier can find your latest video. Time to set up the action. Search for Discord and select it as your action app. Select Send Channel Message as the action event. This will post a message in your Discord server every time a new video is uploaded. Next, connect your Discord account by following the prompts. Choose the Discord server and the specific channel where you want the notification to be posted. Now, craft your message. You can use data from your YouTube video, like the title and URL, to create an informative post. Customize it to your heart's content. Give your Zap a descriptive name, like YouTube to Discord notification, and then toggle it on to activate it. And that's it. Now, every time you upload a new video, Zapier will automatically post a notification in your Discord channel, keeping your community engaged and informed.